Casey Stoner, Jamie Whincup, last member, Australian champions on a track together.
Thanks very much out there, Shane. This is going to be excitement plus, ladies and gentlemen. Jamie Whincup. Mark Webber's just getting the lead ahead of Casey Stoner out on the bike as they head around from turn 1 into turn 2. This is where Webber will throw out the yankers. We know these things, John, can stop very, very quickly, but we're looking to see just how much room he can either get or get reeled in over the first couple of laps.
Not only that, have a look at the difference between the bike and the car as they go around that corner there into view, and Casey is actually making that rear end of that bike very wide.
And a very, very light bike at the bottom arrow there for the car nowadays, a substantial amount of grip as it goes through the back end of the circuit, and it will be a little bit of a tussle between Whincup and Stoner, I suspect, as we see Webber.
Straightaway there, the Brabham straight, as we see Casey Stoner followed by Jamie Whincup coming down the main straightaway now.
This is a great indication of the outright speed that these cars are going to line. Finally got through. Come around the back end of the circuit.
But have a look at the acceleration difference and the similarity between the V8 Supercar and the Formula 1. Check this out as they come onto the Brabham straight here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this and raise your arms up as we see history for the first time with Mark Webber.
Side by side finish. Webber though has put them a lap down.
Front to front now. Here we go. It's about to get loud, folks. It's about to get smoky. Ladies and gentlemen, they just turned the racetrack into a Western Suburbs car park.
That's fine. Now folks, I've got Casey with me here. How do you feel about Jamie abusing, that's your race car, isn't it? Right there.
It's not really mine. I think they've made it a little bit more successful than I have, so you know,
that's all right.
I haven't taken ownership of this one yet.
Now, it took a little while. You and Jamie were pretty close for a while, but initially you actually got the jump, didn't you?
Yeah, well, I didn't really know what to do going into turn 1. I knew I had to jump on it, but didn't really want to get T-boned by a car, so you know, we gave a bit of space, and then the F1 car went and showed its potential.